Hi everyone, it's Sue with Ully Cat's Designs and Ully Cat's World blog, and I'm here today with another sneak peek video, this time using the stage pop-up and the thank you Lorna label and the sentiment stamps of thank you phrases along with love you phrases. We're going to start with the stage pop-up. I've cut 2 of the side pieces and 2 of the actual stage pieces. And then I have cut 6 of the rectangular decorator dies that will go on the side pieces. From the Thank You Lorna add-ons, I've cut 2 of the thank you from a green pattern paper, and then from a double-sided red paper that had dots on one side and plain on the other side, I've cut the thank yous, and these you just glue on top. Also from this set, I have cut 6 green of the leaves. And from the original Lorna label, which was previously released, I've cut 2 of the base pieces, but I've done some trimming. So this is what the final piece is going to look like. I haven't trimmed it all the way down. And I have put a piece of low-tack paper tape on the back, which I'm going to leave just to strengthen that. But that's acting as a little bit of support for that place right there. And then we'll just trim that down. So next I'm just going to be gluing on the Lorna label thank you. So with those dry, I've got glue on the backside of one of them. And the key thing I'm doing is matching up the top label. If this bottom isn't perfectly matched, it's not going to matter because it will be covered up. And we'll put the weight on top of that. And I've glued onto the 2 side strips, stamped, and the various labels. So the next thing that we need to do with those, glue the 2 tabs together. And we'll put those under the weight. And the next we'll glue our stages sides together. Again, since everything has to be flat, so now we'll sandwich thank you in between, glue all over this. Just make sure everything is flat. And then we'll put our weight back on it. And now I'm going to put glue on these 2 side panels. Look where the seams are on this. And I think that's going to be the front. So we have that. So on one side, they're all going one direction, and the other side, they'll all be headed that way. So by letting the paper do the work, I've cut out 2 of the flowers that are in the Thank You Lorna add-on set, and I'm just going to glue them right there. And all I did was I took the center point and just centered it over the flower. And that's how I got those 2 pink flowers that are going to be there. And here's our finished pop-up thank you. So it says, thank you so very much for everything, big time. Thank you, you're the best. A place for a signature or a personal message. And thank you for being you. So it's truly a pop-up thank you with its little laurel wreath around the outside edge. It's little pink flowers. And I haven't had time yet to stamp on the bottom. In the stage scene stamp set, there is a stamp that says push with 2 arrows that point up that I would put on those. So to close this, you push the thank you down, and it folds flat like that to go on an envelope. And then to pop it back up, you push in the sides and push up the bottom. And there we have our little stand-up thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you got some inspiration, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.